My name is Tom Gammon, and I lost my wife, Joyce, of 33 years to COVID-19, June 16th of this year. You know, Joyce loved people, rarely met a stranger. When we would be shopping in the grocery stores, she would almost always strike up a conversation with some person in the store or the cashier as we were leaving. And I would be impatient, ready to go out to the car, and she would still be there visiting. You know, she just loved people. She loved working at the kitchen. She had a huge heart for people. In fact, her favorite Bible verse was, "Whatsoever you do unto the least of these, you also do unto me." And she tried to live by that. She loved her family. We have, 5 kids and a plethora of grandkids, and we have 4 great-grandkids, and she really loved those grandkids. And in fact, she retired in the end of December, and that was part of her plan, to spend more time with grandkids. You know, Joyce was one of those people who would get a Starbucks gift card and go to Starbucks and pay for her coffee and say, just use it on the people behind me. She was a generous person. She loved flowers. She loved gardening. Her grandmother and her mother both were gardeners, and Joyce inherited that. Joyce and I landscaped every house we lived in, and she planted flower bed after flower bed and loved taking care of her flowers. She loved baseball. She's a huge baseball fan. Her and my mom used to go get tickets behind home plate for the Springfield Cardinals and correct the umpires all night. We wore masks everywhere. At home we didn't wear them, but anytime we went to the store or to Lowe's or grocery shopping or whatever we did, we wore masks. We avoided a lot of places just because of crowds. Too many people. When they first let the restaurants come back open, we went to a local restaurant one night and it was just too crowded and they weren't being safe, so we left. I think if we had masked up earlier, I'd probably still have my wife today. And we'd be, looking towards our retirement plans. It's wearing masks, social distancing, and it's so easy to clean your hands. Soap and water or hand sanitizer, it's all available. It's not hard to find now. You just do those simple things. I've gone to her grave and talked to her, and just tell her how much I miss her, and I love her, and that she's the love of my life, and the family dearly misses her, and we all wish she was here.